Hey friends, Chef Enena here. This lamb Shanks curry is comforting and very delicious, perfect for this fall season. Shanks are tough cuts, but with slow and long cooking, they make a melting full of the bones and flavorful dish. Let's get started making this recipe. So first off, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into this heavy-bottomed pan. As the oil comes to heat, season these lamb shanks, that's about 5 pounds, salt and pepper. Just season them heavily. Start searing the shanks once the oil is smoking hot. Turn these shanks once they start getting color and continue browning until they are seared on all sides. As the shanks continue to brown, peel and dice this onion. Slice this 1 medium carrot. These chunks are beautifully brown. Took about 10 minutes. I will take them off to the same plate that I had used. Into the pan, straight on, add some spices. Just slightly toast this, and then because the oil is still very hot, add onions and the carrots. You want to slightly toast the spices and sweat the onions. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon curry, a tablespoon of cumin coriander, a teaspoon of chili powder. Also add a teaspoon of tomato paste. Toast this just slightly. Now into this pan, add about 4 cups chicken stock, a tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, juice of half a lemon, about a teaspoon honey just to balance the flavors. Now carefully return the lamb shanks and bring the whole pot to a boil. Put all the accumulated juices back. This is all flavor. Season this with a touch of salt and some black pepper. Now, this boiling pot will go into the oven at 350 for 2 hours covered. After the 2-hour mark, we removed the cover and cooked to finish without the lid. That's why we got all this beautiful color on top. All we can do now is just skim off some of this excess fat. So after straining, you have this beautiful looking sauce that is reduced from long cooking. Pour some of this sauce right on top, and at this point they are ready to go on the table. Oh, this is just so deliciously looking. Garnish this with some scallions and you're good to go. Just like that. For me, this is a dish that calls for Sukuma Wiki and Ugali. Check out the recipe on how to make Sukuma Wiki and Ugali. I will share it right on top somewhere. Get a piece of Ugali here. I'm going to bring the boniest, the biggest of all. Put it right on top. Then just drizzle this beautiful, delicious sauce. What a dish. More of your scallions or cilantro. And there you have it, a delicious and easy to make dinner that you and your family will definitely enjoy. This is one of those dishes you don't need a fork. Look, it just falls off the bone. Just have a look at that. Get some of that with some of the Sukuma Wiki. So friends, there you have it, our delicious and comforting lamb shanks curry. Takes about 3 hours and you and your family have a delicious dinner. It's also a dish that is perfect for holidays. Mine, I served over Ugali and Sukuma Wiki, Kenyan style. You can do whatever you wish. Mashed potatoes are perfect with it, or any other side of your choice. And it's a delicious dish. Long and slow cooking. It's gonna warm up your house, especially during these cold fall days. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one. Just remember, subscribe, comment, hit the like button down below.